Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick here how to use Word's Find and Replace feature. So I'm going to look for, by the way, it's go to the Home tab. Way over here to the right is Find. And then you can do Find, Advanced Find, and go to, I'm going to click Find. And you can choose to find, for instance, the word book. Okay, it's searching for the word book. There's 4 results. Here they all are. And you can see they're all highlighted here. But you can actually, it will even tell you, you can go from one to the next. I guess they're all right here. So yeah, there it's advancing through. You can see each one light up. But let's say I want to replace all occurrences of the word book with the word novel. Okay, I can click replace here. Find what book, replace with novel, and you could do replace all, which is very dangerous. If you do that, we made 2 replacements. Do you want to continue searching from the beginning? Yes. They all done, made 4 replacements, but you don't know where all the occurrences are. It doesn't show you. So I'm going to do Control Z to undo that, and I think it changed them all. I'll do it again. Just okay. Instead, do this. Replace. Find what book, replace with novel, and then move this out of the way and do find next. And there, the books setting, then we can do replace. Do you want to continue from the beginning? That must be the last occurrence of the word book. So I'm going to say yes. Then there's another one, and you can choose to replace. Another one, replace. You just have more control when you do replace instead of replace all. Okay. Another thing you have to look out for is find, and this is the danger, find what the replace with the, and if you do replace all, 43 replacements. Yes, 48 total. So what happened there? We'll look through here, the Hunger Games, it finds all occurrences of the sequence THE. I can't find one right now. But even when it doesn't make sense, okay? So I'm going to do Control Z to undo that, okay? And I'm going to do replace and then find what? The, replace with the, and let's do find next. So I could replace that one, that one, that one. Oh, right here, theaters. That is not one that we want to do. So we'll just do find next, not replace. Okay. So that's a danger in doing replace all. So that's how you can find something. Also, you have to be careful too, that when you're finding something, I guess a way to avoid the and the maybe is if you put a space after the word the. Yep, that changes the results, and now it's just the word the. So it counts, it'll look for spaces. If you've misspelled the word that you're trying to find, it won't find it. It will only do what you tell it to do, and that includes capitalizing and lowercase letters as well.